You are welcome to the Google Classroom Master Course. My name is Larry Oguntoye, the Inspirational. In this unit, we'll be focusing on how to remove students and co-teachers from the Google Classroom. So, by the end of this unit, you'll be able to sort out people in the Google Classroom, focusing on removing students and co-teachers in the Google Classroom. So, let us begin. So this is my Google Classroom homepage. I created two courses here, Introduction to Google Classroom and Google Classroom Master Course, to which I invited a particular teacher to co-teach. So I'm opening the Introduction to Google Classroom Master Course. I'm looking at the people. I have Diamond Larry as a co-teacher. He's a co-teacher there. He's not the owner of the class. You can see I've not made him the owner of the class. So I go to my second course that I created. Okay. Also in that same course, I made him a co-teacher. So let us see how this teacher sees this classroom to which he was invited to be co-teachers, a co-teacher. So this is the teacher's platform. So the teacher's general platform will be showing the classes to which he was invited to or to which he curated. So I invited him to these two classes. Okay, so for these two classes, they appear on his own homepage. So when this teacher is removed, we'll see what will happen to uh, this particular classroom cards on his own homepage. So I go back to my own Google Classroom. So I want to remove him from Google Classroom Masterclass. So I go to people, which is the third element in the Google Classroom. I go to the teacher and locate the teacher I want to remove. Then I'll see the more icon, the three tiny dots. I click it. Okay, you can see email, remove, or make class owner. I don't want to make him class owner. I want to remove him. So I click remove. So it's saying this teacher won't be able to open this class unless re-invited. So I'm removing him from the Google Classroom Master class. Okay, when that is done, we'll go back to the teacher to see the teacher has been removed. It's no longer a teacher here, okay, in this particular course. But this introduction to Google Classroom course, the teacher is still a co-teacher. He has not been removed. So let's go back to the teacher's Google Classroom homepage and see. Okay, you can see the only course remaining to which he was invited is Introduction to Google Classroom. The Google Classroom Master course class card is no longer showing on the teacher's homepage. So that is how to remove a teacher from the Google Classroom. And the same thing goes to student. You want to remove student from the Google Classroom, go to people, okay, go to student. Now for student is slightly different. Okay, if you click this particular more button for each of the students that have accepted the invite, what you get is just email the student. That's the only command you can get. So how do we remove student? So you go to action, click the action button. You can see here the drop down email student, remove or mute. Email student, remove or mute. So we want to remove student. Okay, but if you click remove now, because you clicked this particular button, okay, it's going to auto select all the students in the classroom. You can see that all the students have been selected. So you want to select the particular student you want to remove. So unselect others, unselect them. So I want to remove 9 months. So what I will do is to go to the action here and just click remove. Okay, so let's assume I do not want to remove 9 months. I only want to remove Joy Ogoro here. So I click that particular button. See, I click it, then I go to remove, I click remove, and it says, are you sure you want to remove this student from the class? Yes, I want to remove. Okay, so I click that. The student has been deleted from the classroom. So it is that simple, removing people from the classroom, co-teacher or students that you no longer want to be part of the classroom. I'll see you in the next unit. Always remember that every teacher carries a womb that births the prosperity of the nation. See you in the next unit.